Okay, in regards to the Barclays Technical Customer Service Advisory role. Okay. At Barclays, the 5 values is respect. We respect and value those we work with and the contributions that they make. Integrity. We act fairly, ethically, and openly in all we do. We put our clients and customers at the centre of what we do. Excellence. We use our energy, skills, and resources to deliver to the best sustainable result. Jess Daly has suggested a diversified recruitment and selection of the potential cultivation, nurturing talent and workforce employees. Jess Daly has suggested identified recruitment selection procedure for a diversified workforce and a cultivation. Employees that has offered 329 years of service in the financial institution, investment banking, management, audit, bonds and shares. Ensure that every interaction remains and project positively of the financial diversified transatlantic bank, that ensure what we do and support the external society and the role as a technical customer service associate. Ensure that respect the decision customers' obsessions in what? Ensure that every interaction remains and project positivity of the financial diversity transatlantic bank, that ensures what we do and support the external society and economical and sustainability of Barclays' progression for growth and development. Ensure that every interaction remains to respect the decisions of the customers and the customers' obsessions, and we put customers at the heart in the actions and engagement of Barclays banking and financial institutions. Emotional empathy is being compassionate manner and have the mannerisms put in the customer as of first prioritization shoes. Understand how you engage effectively to resolve clients' variational banking issues that are associated with the complex problems. Protect the mental health individual. Reduce and engage with individuals and the subjections of exploitations of the individual. Understand of the client's anxiety, induce stress, and being compassionate. Understanding their situation from perspective. Auditory stimuli can lead to provoked anxiety that allows intrusions of space and professional boundaries and comfort for vulnerable from self-exploitations and harms which is escalating risk drivers. Engaging in a subjective atmosphere and Barclays multi-variational environment, continuously evolving and challenging engaging environment for colleagues and Barclays employees to increase productivity and maximize performance of the individual. Investigation and the range and the degree of complexity and financial capacity in complex inquiries associated with Barclays stakeholders and banking customers with variational hierarchies of complexity from simple case to more involved in acknowledgement and understanding of the operations, which include both financial regulated products to non-financial, which includes wealth management and department expertise, that inclusivity of the analytical and analysis. Communicate with all senior levels from chief executive officers to managing directors, vice president, and challenging and escalating scenarios. Being flexible and adaptable in the geographical location from the flexibility from weekdays, we continue to hold accountability of ownership and resolutions of complex inquiries and to provide and support our clients and stakeholders of century product and financial service that provides to clients and stakeholders in a financial institution. Great execution and initiation that allows our intuition to provide options and perspective how individuals, clients and customers of Barclays management their financial assets and portfolios, which include bonds and shares of the investment holder. Support our colleagues at Barclays that align with the customer requirements and necessities and needs. Roles and responsibility, responsive nature, immediate response, emotional empathy of the individual that take account and consideration of the various subjective opinions and perspectives, engage in the feedback to reflect on initiatives and innovative ideologies and methodologies, ways to act with stewardship, to go above beyond, refine process, provide high eccentric customer service to the customers, to align with the innovative and embed the 5 values of Barclays, which includes the ethics of respect, excellence, service, integrity, stewardship and trust, an initiative that provide further training, mentor and hold accountability and act with integrity, ensure that the right executions of course actions is ethical to Barclays values and to meet the expectations of the customers. Dynamic working, in which Jess Staley, the Chief Executive Officer, has instigated. Barclays will succeed only if we maintain a diverse, inclusive environment that values experience, empowers colleagues to prioritise their professional and personal lives, is one that allows us all to succeed together. Dynamic working offers colleagues the opportunity to design their own work patterns, enabling people to decide when and where and how they work, help increase engagement and productivity. Launching a new personalised initiative that allows for individual role to hold greater responsibility of additional responsibilities and additional successful final products to Barclays customers, stakeholders and clients, liaising efficaciously with the legal specialist, being adaptable and flexible in the professional communication with great interpersonal to form argument, judgment and verbal reasoning, great decision making with my hyper-focusing ability to identify discrepancies and anomalies respectively and conjunctionally. Analytical to collation of source and information from research, communication with colleagues, stakeholders, in gathering collation of no necessaries to address the case through business case address to rectify the client financial challenging rigorous problems of variational degree or complexity. Active integrity of GDPR, known as the General Data Protection and Regulation Act, and precaution risk drivers in compliance and alignment of all regulatory frameworks and policies of Barclays, and values, goals and ethics to reduce exposure of confidential information that breach confidentiality and exploitation of individuals that can lead to disciplinary hearing or immediate dismissal or supervision with government and higher officials of Barclays. Etiquette and mannerisms of vocabulary, explanations of the financial terms and technical tenacities in simplified terminology, an explanation of goals, objectives, inspection and disclosure results through investigation and analysis, disclosure from documentations to verbal or oral communication with individuals via communication platforms. Telecommunication would include WebEx, Zoom, online, electronic, email, interaction with the hierarchies of sex. Barclays, liaising with the CEO and board of directors, accountants and legal specialists. This may include accountants and within audit. Being professional and great etiquette and manner at all times for the reputation of the organisation. Experience in delivering exceptional customer client interactions in a professional and caring manner. Good communication skills both verbally and in writing, and ability to gather information and deliver outcomes clearly and efficaciously, effectively, a collaborative approach to finding solutions, maintaining the positive relationships with teams and departments across the Barclays Group. Working, building personal insights and great collaborative ethics to the community of care and work as a team to meeting the objectives of the SLA agreements and goals in service in the contact centre that provides quality and service and products to a high exceptional standard service to each individual of Barclays banking customers. The resilience to invest the energy in high excellence in terms of stewardship and continuously have the precision and excellence to go above and beyond to provide the individual line with compliance and integrity, streamlined, normalized, standardized process to generate greater efficiency for banking financial institutions of Barclays. Ability to build rapport, liaise, efficaciously communicate with great mannerisms, colleagues respectively, fair, respecting their decisions, opinions, ideologies, and sharing and delegations of tasks to support colleagues at Barclays. As Barclays, I believe that you embrace in neurodiversity and neurodiversity challenge and support the GBTA, LBGT, and inclusive diversity, on which you provide disability schemes that support and provide the course and go above beyond to provide the service and support in colleagues' mental health being that increases productivity, known as something called dynamic working, which was induced by CEO Jess Staley. So we offer careers that provide endless opportunities. Barclays offers in financial investment, relationship stakeholders, and building this trust with the customers to ensure that it's a go-to bank, and providing 329 years of quality financial service to Barclays' external internal customers. the roles and responsibilities as a technical customer associate, taking ownership of technical and complex complaints that those litigation may commence and respond to external stakeholders. Litigation may commence external, including financial ombudsman. Have great formal effective communication skills engaging with internal external stakeholder Barclays, which incorporate financial ombudsman, investigating technical and complex customers, clients' queries, concerns and complaints on a range of regulated and non-regulated wealth management products. Great acknowledgement of agility to understand the client's customer focus. Regulated non-regulated wealth management products. Wealth management is a team that provides support and assurance, assistance, and wealth managed Barclays clients on investment relationship management problems and escalating scenarios. Offer expertise, advice, and escalate to support clients of Barclays, business stakeholders associated with wealth management, bonds, which include borrowing, lending, and queries or complaints of a variational degree of complexity associated with lending, investment management, bonds, discretional bonds. Our wealth management service team is available 24/7 to help with your everyday banking and investment needs. As part of this, our wealth concierge will help set up your accounts, online banking services, protocols, your funds, and transfers smoothly. What we offer is expert wealth management, tax efficient structuring, trust bonds, retirement planning, wealth protection insurance, tailored investment, discretional portfolio management, advisory and execution only serve manage impact lending solution, portfolio finance, bespoke, flexible, ease of banking. You will support us, supporting leaders with high profile and complex technical customer scenarios where the business is struggling to find solutions through escalation and collaboration, provide assistant support within high senior officials in Barclays hierarchy, where we provide innovative solutions to their challenging scenarios and situations through escalations with the leverage of external network, through strong collaborative team ethic, through mutual understanding of subjective investment, build these sustainable relationships with these string colleagues, relation through collaborative relation with specialized expertise in various departments, both internally and externally, of financial banking institution of Barclays. You have to remain and act as ambassador integral in form of flexible terminology and adaptable in communication, approach and strategic methodologies to efficaciously liaise and engage with the diverse range of individuals from CEOs to board, director, managing director, vice president and senior officials of Barclays, to include senior managers and customer service relation and complaints managers. Of carrying out bespoke redress methodologies and create bespoke calculations for investment complaints and take into considerations and approach through tax legislation. The ability to analytically quantify data through numerical hyper-focused inspection associated with tax regulations, investment complaints, great attention and ability to respectively identify anomalies, discrepancies with needs to be escalated respectively, technical skills to be able to utilization Office, Word, or the algorithmic procedures to ensure investment calculation, financial, mathematically aspects corresponding with stakeholder and clients issues that needs to be addressed with our analysis, and quantify analysis and approach and special team and units from legal to non-legal accountant audits of Barclays banking financial institutions. Barclays search for qualities and traits and skills. Extensive experience in the financial regulated and non-regulated products include advisory, discretional investment, pension investment, trust and structured credit agreements. Experience in delivering exceptional customer client interactions in professional and caring manner. Good communication skill both verbally and writing, and the ability to gather information, deliver outcomes clearly and efficaciously. Collaborative approach to find solutions, maintaining positive relations, teams, departments across Barclays skills. Ability to present well-reasoned arguments as senior managing directors, legal specialists, accountants, solicitors, officers, CEOs. Excellent planning, organisation with strong attention to detail. Complaints handling experience. Ability to break down complex issues, assimilate them to fully understand cause, impact, and provide innovative solutions and ideologies. Thank you. Thank you very much.